Hi, I'm Sophie and I'm an ambassador for the Nappy Lady. We're going to have a look at the Lighthouse Kids Supreme Nappy. This nappy is designed for children from 20 to 50 pounds. Lighthouse Kids Company is a company based in Florida and the nappies are manufactured in China. This nappy is an all-in-one, which means that you don't need anything in addition to this nappy in order to use it. The nappy has two sets of waist poppers as well as hip stabilising poppers. There are 3 columns of rise snaps, which mean that you can adjust the nappy to become much smaller or leave them open to make it much bigger. At the smallest setting, I was able to put this nappy on my 19-pound 8-month-old, and the fit was absolutely fine, though it's definitely better now several months down the line. I'll just show you the Supreme at its smallest setting with the poppers crossed over. And then on its largest settings. As you can see, the waist and hips are able to be secured on very wide settings. The PUL is soft and flexible, and the nappy comes in a range of lovely prints. If we open the nappy up, you can see the snaps on the inside of the nappy. Here we have the absorbent part of the nappy. It's sewn in on one end only. This is quite different from other nappies in that it opens up like this. That's really handy as it means you can dry the nappy more quickly than if all of this was just sewn together. This insert is bamboo, which is quite slow to dry, so it is still not the fastest drying, but the book shape really does make a big difference. Because the nappy is made of bamboo, we do recommend at least 2 pre-washes to build absorbency before you use it. Another useful feature is that this insert is double-sided. One side is micro suede, which feels like a fine fleece, and the other side is bamboo. You can choose which fabric you'd like against the child. You might choose the micro suede like this. This is good for wicking moisture away from the skin. This is ideal as it removes the need for a fleece liner, if that's something that you use. Alternatively, you could put bamboo against the skin, like this. This lets the child feel the wetness against their skin, which can help speed up potty training. The whole nappy is lined with athletic wicking jersey, which helps the whole nappy to remain more dry. One thing that people do ask is how to fit this insert in when the nappy is on the shorter rise settings. Firstly, from new, this insert does shrink down a bit when you're washing it. Secondly, the insert has a bit here, which is designed to fold over to make sure the insert fits in properly, like this. This is a really nice nappy from Lighthouse Kids Company. It's perfectly suited to larger toddlers and smaller children. As it's an all-in-one, it requires minimal prep, and it is the closest to a disposable nappy that we have in the reusable nappy family. If you're looking for a larger nappy, then this might well be the one for you.